Well, that was frustrating. I've been throwing the boomerangs for a little while, checked the GoPro, and it stopped filming. Took it back to the car, put it on charge. First thing that came up was the thermometer sign. And that is a problem with these GoPros. They do seem to overheat and switch themselves off. Anyway, I've got another one of my GoPros on my hat camera now. So we'll have another little go, just in case I've got nothing recorded on the other one. I could tell you that I was having an excellent time and catching all my throws and they were coming round in circles, but that would be a lie. I did manage to catch one once, and that was that one, crane, which I think is from Aldi. Then I tried that one, plative, which I think is from Lidl. And then the red and the white one are boomers from Wicked. I was flying the red one, which has got whistles on it. Load of gloves, just in case the other video was completely lost. Watching some of my friends who do boomerangs, they usually wear gloves. Improves the grip and it also helps when you catch them. Well, catching isn't really a problem for me. Wind's turned round. Wind's coming from there now. It was coming from there. Oh, that's annoying. Did you hear it whistle? It did whistle, just a little bit. Also, my finger caught on the whistle a bit, which jerked it around a bit. Oh, that's interesting that the wind's moved around. Because I was just getting the hang of it. Wind was coming from there, so I was aiming for those trees over there, and I was just beginning to get it right. The wind's only changed down at my level. I think a little bit higher up it's still coming from the same place, looking at the way this is blowing back here. Again, repeating myself no doubt in case I've lost the other video. At least I'm getting some exercise. That's back from there now. That was just a temporary thing where it was coming from the left. Okay, if it's coming from there, 45 degrees to the right is over there. It's climbing too much. YouTube buddies would know how to adjust it, put a bit of a twist on it. Whistling. Why is it climbing so quickly? It's not like I'm throwing it like that, I am throwing it virtually upright. A bit further to the right. Well, that was better. Just have a look at the camera, see if we're still recording. Yes, we're still recording. Try it even further to the right. To me. Well, there we go. That was a long way to the right. Oh. So that's one catch with the red one, sonic boomer, and one catch with the crane. Oh, wind's dropped now. Okay, we managed one catch. We'll try this one. Well, not bad. I seem to remember this is my favourite one. Nearly. Oh, didn't quite catch it, nearly did. Can't get the timing right. Let's go around to my left a bit more. Got it! Finally. Were we recording? Yes, we were. Okay. So that one's the night boomer that you can put a glow stick in the middle. Right. Well, that'll probably do. Another plative. I've got loads of 3D printed ones. No, that one's that's not a real boomerang. that's on the way back to the car. I can take the gloves off now. Yeah, hands are sweaty. Yeah, that one looked like it worked, didn't it? Check my video description. There'll be my playlist for boomerangs in there. I think we'll head for home. Too windy for the little aeroplanes, and not really windy enough for a kite, although it might be different once you got it up. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.